In this warm-up, I'm introducing students to transformations from the original parent function. And so I start off with the parent function, linear function, y equals x. And students can see as you change the y-intercept, the line basically slides up and down the y-axis, but the tilt of it, the slope of it, stays the same. So if the y-intercept is changing, it would slide up or down. If it's positive 2, for example, number 5 plus 2, you're just moving the parent function up 2, all points up 2. And on number 6, minus 5, you're moving, that's a vertical change down 5. And so that key point 0, 0 moves down 5 as well as the rest of the points, but it's more visual with the point 0, 0. And then when you change the slope, for example, number 3, 3 up and 1 to the right, but the y-intercept didn't change, then the tilt of it changes, so it became steeper because the number was more positive, and so the tilt just tilts up more, it's more steep. And if you have negative 3, it's going to tilt the opposite direction, it's going to have a negative slope. And so students start to learn that if you change the slope, the tilt of it changes. If you put negative, it changes direction, and it's going to be a negative slope instead of a positive slope. And if the y-intercept changes, it's a vertical shift up or down. And so then you start looking at number 7 and number 8, where both of those things happen, and so they have to look at both of those shifts. But it's a good introduction. The students will see more when I do the warm-up on the slider with the interactive linear functions.